in the middle of the... No other ostrich will let you get a real nice look into the middle of that. What's going on?
What most people don't know is that that was a trap. While he was looking in that ostrich's ear, two other ostriches snuck up behind him, robbed him, and took his wallet. Later on, they went to the bank and tried to withdraw money from his account. But of course, the teller went, "You're not this guy, you're an ostrich, man. I'm not giving you any money. I'm calling the police." And they were arrested for identity theft. Because ostriches are stupid. I mean, they don't even look like people. That was dumb. They got to do something else with their lives. That was just stupid. Now they're in ostrich jail. Dummies.